So in here, we are going to make a new project, naming it Jumping Game, and we have the basic cat sprite. We'll just name it Cat. Oh. And then we'll put in a when green flag clicked. We'll go to x0, y negative 100, and we'll make a new variable called y velocity. For this sprite only, set y velocity to 0, and we'll go in for a forever loop. We will change y velocity by -1, and we will change y by y velocity. Then we'll put in an if y position is less than -130, like that. Then we'll set y to -130, and then we'll set y velocity to 0, and we'll put in an if or key up arrow pressed or key W pressed. Then we will set y velocity to 15, and let's test that. Okay, so it went flying, the cat, because we have to stop it from jumping whenever we press the up arrow key. So we'll make a new variable named canJump for this sprite only, and we'll set canJump to false. Then we will set canJump to true whenever the y position is less than -130, and we'll put in an and equals canJump equals to true. Put that in, and then after that we'll set canJump to false. And just like that, we can make simple real life physics for jumping. So now let's make it walk left and right, and then put in a if key right arrow or D pressed. Then we will make a new variable named x velocity. And then we will change x velocity by 1, and we'll do the opposite for the left side. -1, and then we'll set the x velocity to x velocity times 0.9, and we will change x by x velocity. So just like that, we've got some cool jumping for the cat. Now let's make it turn left and right. So I'll put in a point in directions for both of them, except the left arrows, which is -90. And oh yeah, at the first we need to set the x velocity to 0. So then we'll set rotation style left and right at the beginning, and just like that we have something very cool We've got jumping cat and a turning cat with smooth walking. So now let's add a new sprite. Wait. Then we'll make a new sprite. We'll pick the apple. And then we'll put in a when green flower clicked. Hide, set size to 80. And it'll put in a forever loop. We will wait for like 0.5 to 2 seconds. And then we'll create clone of myself. And when I start as a clone, we'll go to X, pick randoms to negative 240, 240. And then we'll put in another pick random. So here is negative 110 and positive 10. And then before that we'll show and forever if touching cat. We'll delete this clone and then we'll start sound chomp and we'll make a new variable named score, full sprite. We'll set score to 0 and we'll change score by 1, just like that. And I think that is it. Oh yeah, show the variable score. Okay, so that is good. Now let's add some decorations. So let's go to the stage, backdrops, and let's draw something cool. I'll draw it like this and that and that. Okay, so I think that is a very good decoration to start off. So I think that is it. Thank you for watching, and I think you can put the value here high. Let's say 30. Oh, we need to get all of these. Oh, that is very good. So, thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.